everybody, so we're just walking into Animal Kingdom. We're gonna have a look around the shops. We might go on a ride. Let's just see what the day brings us, and let's have a little look around in the stores and see what things we can pick up for you guys. So let's get into the stores then. Hello. I don't think they've done it before. There we go. Thank you. So yeah, let's have a little look in the shops first, and then we'll go on a couple of rides. Maybe one or two. Let's see how it goes today. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn those notifications on. If you don't even enjoy it, just keep on watching anyway. Oh look, the moving tree. Let's keep on moving. We could stop all day otherwise. So let's go to the shop then. So let's have a little look in the shop then. See what there is. So there's some new Avatar stuff. What is it? A blanket. I really need that right now. $60. It's freezing out. I should have put some friggin' trousers on. Kiwi gummies. I think they're about set at $6.50, $5.50 or something like that. Let me have a look. There's a price here. $6.99. I was close. They've got Jake Scully's figures. They're $30. Yeah, so if anyone likes anything, next time I'm coming to Disney is in June. If you do like anything, make sure you follow us on our journey, on our lives. We do go live in the parks on our Instagram. It's called Magical WDW. That's $25 for the Candyland. Yeah, so we go live on our Instagram. We have a subscription one as well that you can pay to join. You'll get more access to the more of the shops. That's $25. But yeah, it's really, really good. The people that are in it are enjoying it. So yeah, so that's $25 for the 50th jigsaw. I'm just seeing what new bits are in here. I mean, I see them quite frequently, but it just depending on when you die. Oh, they've got some mini slippers. They're $30. $30 for the mini slippers. Got Stitch. Got the big feet. They're $30 each. They got Stitch, Scully, Sven, and I think that's it. And the big feet. I don't think this. Don't know why that's there. They're $30. Let's have a look. No, let's keep going. We've got some of the munchkins. They've had some of the pins, so I've picked up some pins for Evie. Some of the cups. I'm not going to show everything, it's just me going past some stuff and going, oh yeah, you know. I'm looking for a pink Mickey cup, mini cup for a customer that's asked for it. I didn't get it at Epcot the other day. I think they've sold out. They have. It was like this, and Had Mum on it and Mickey, Minnie. $17 they were. What else is there in there? They've got these Scream cups. I'm gonna get a few of them. They're $30 they are. Oh, you got some of the. This is really nice material, you know. How much are they? $35. It's not bad. And you got Magic Band pluses.
I'm gonna go look at the one across the street, please.
Got 100.
You don't want to.
Another 50th.
I'd rather get the tea time.
Another 50th. 2023 visit. My first visit. Walt Disney World. Magic Bands. One with Mickey heads on. Pride one. Multicolour with all the Fab Five, I think, on it. Got Mickey in the castle. Got nice, don't know what, Mickey shaped heads. Multicoloured. You got a dad, and then you've got Mum. And then you got three on the bottom. I'm not showing everything, otherwise I'll be here all day. Feel the Heat, Jafar, Monsters Inc. or University, sorry. You got Up, Toy Story, Aliens, Tiana, Princesses, and then a pink one. Let's have a look, see if they've got Munchkin pins. They're $35 then. Show you them. The Munchkin pins. Let's have a look at the pins here. Oh wow, 100 years. That's a nice pin. Annual pass ones. Oh hello. What else have they got here? Oh, got a Stitch one. And then these are nice, these actually. $18 here. Yes, is there anything new now? Got fig pins, 100th anniversary. $25 they are. Mickey, Pete. So, let's go in some of the other shops and have a look. And then we're going on Expression, just say Everest, in about 40 minutes. Popcorn, this is the 100 collection. You got 100 magnet, I think, which is cool. 100 ornament, the dripping ears, I think it's cool. Chip and Dale. And you got some sweets, coins, $5.50. The chocolate bars are $16. Oh look! Look what they've got. $88 for them. And the Mickey second collection, they've just come out. And then the 3 pigs that come with the collection. They look cool. They look really cool, I like them. And then that's the first collection, the Mickey Mouse. Let's carry on looking in here. I'm just seeing if there's anything interesting. Well, that's nice. What is it? It's Marvel. It's cool. I wonder how much it is. $90. Oh yeah, I don't think I've shown this, the new Stitch Spirit jersey. $80 it is. I think it's cool. I actually think it is absolutely a wicked stitch. Some people think he's ugly, I think he's wicked. How much are they? Doesn't. $35, Easter ones. Little leopard skin. Junior Birks. Oh, you got these new Bulba ears. $58. I think they're cool, you know. And then you got Bulba earrings. They're $60. Tinkerbell. Kermit. I think I might have shown them. So yeah. Let's go across the other store and have a look in there. Let's go in the other store then and have a little look. See what's going on. Just to let you know, it's a bit nippy out here today. I'm cold. I am freezing. Yesterday I was cold, but I had trousers and a jacket on, but I forgot to put them on today. Because I was leaving out the house too quickly to get out. So what else is there? Oh look, we got the baseball jersey. $65 they are. Oh look, a new magic band. Oh, they're cool. I like that. It's $45. Someone's just had a smoke. You can smell it on them. They got Haunted Mansion plushes, bags, ears. This is just like a quick little look around the store, not like anything, you know. Oh, these are cool. 45. The metal cups for your tea or coffee or soup or whatever you want to drink in it. Seeing a huge amount of new stuff. There's a Doug. Big feet. I think this collection's cool. It does smell, you know. You got the cups as well. It's $25. The bag, $75. What else is there in here? Milo. Blushes. It's really... They got mini safari ones. So yeah, that's cool. So what we'll do, let's go on to Everest. Let's ride Everest and see what's up there, and then I'll show you what's up there. So we've just reached Everest. I think the queue's about 65 minutes long. I don't know if I'm early or not. I'm just going to try and scan it. Then early, because they'll let you on being really late.
Wait, we have to wait.
Where do you have to go? Two films. They usually have two though. If it's not, the one later one's not in the time slot.
Hello.
Yeah, it takes a multi-experience.
Hello. Hello. I don't know if I'm a little early yet.
You're good?
You
Just
sure?
next time, 5 minutes.
How early?
20 minutes.
Oh, was that? Sorry. I didn't know exactly, but I knew. I thought maybe. Thank you. Oh, that was nice. 20 minutes early.
Stop. They
So you can only get there 5 minutes earlier, not 20 minutes, but he let me on. That was nice of him. He didn't have to. I mean, the queue's like an hour long. That was good. That was quick. That was a little quick. Oh.
Personal items with you at this time.
There we go then, so we've rid the Yeti. The Yeti. Just have a quick little nosy in the Yeti shop. See what there is. Cups. Metal cups. $20. forgot to show it you. And then what else is there? Yeti stuff. Mickey, seen all this. I'm just looking for some Yeti stuff. Oh, it's here. Everest. I missed it when I walked out. How much is that t-shirt? There's no tag. Oh, the Spirit jersey's here. It is no price. Probably about 75 to 80 bucks. Top. I conquered Expedition Everest. Everest. So yeah, we'll have a little make our way out towards the entrance now, or the exit. Well, that's cool. Sorry. Haha, that's cool. So yeah, let's walk out the park and we'll see you when we have a little stroll walking back towards the exit. We're just walking across the bridge and let's zoom in a bit for you. There's Miko and Pocahontas. So yeah, that's just because we were walking towards the exit, just saw that, so I thought, oh, I better record it for you. So I'm just walking, I'm just near Dino Land. It's just really, really nice little stroll walking around. This is more of a relaxing park. There's more scenic views than there is like hectic rides and stuff, so you could like walk between, get something to eat, sit down, have a drink. So it's just, I think it's a bit more peaceful, the Animal Kingdom. Plus it's not as busy because it feels because it's spread out more, a little more gander through the park, and then we'll make our way out of it. Dino Land. There's still, the only popcorn bucket they've got is the Simba bucket, popcorn bucket. They had this last time, so it's not a new thing. So we're going into Discovery Island now, so quite close to the front of the park.
Yeah, it's great for holding up my laundry
and then after we've left, I'm probably gonna go back and chill out, pack a few more boxes for all the pickups that we've done so far. So yeah, the time's come that we're leaving the Animal Kingdom. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn those notifications on. If you do like pickups in the parks or in Florida, going to Walmart, Target, antique stores, thrift stores, whatever you want, make sure you join us on our Instagram, magicalwdw, and when we come back in June, you'll be able to see the lives. And if you do like something, it's really, really simple to do. We'll explain it to you on the live. Anyway guys, thanks for joining us. I'll see you on the next one.